Nigeria was declared polio-free in 2020, which is 5 years ago. However, a new variant emerged, and it is that variant that we are now fighting to ensure that you also eradicate it out completely. And like I've said, the numbers are reducing, but you know, especially in the areas of the northwest that border Niger Republic, and to some extent, even getting down to Borno, bordering also Chad and Niger Republic. The issues of, porous borders resulted to movements whereby you cannot control, you know, who comes and who goes out. As a result, that variant emerged, and we are working hard to see that we improve on our coverage so that we eradicate it and we don't allow it or any other variant for that matter to come up soon.
30-year perspective plan provides that 6 5-year medium-term plans will be developed in its implementation, the first being 2021 to 2025, which is expiring by December this year. So the Council was informed about this development and the need to support the development of the second medium-term plan 2026 to 2030 to be named Renewed Hope Plan for 2026-2030. This will ensure policy continuity, consolidate ongoing reforms, and respond to emerging socio-economic challenges. It will also help in providing a coherent framework to accelerate job creation, improve human capital, expand sustainable infrastructure, enhance food security, and strengthen social protection. The Renewed Hope Plan 2026 to 2030 will serve as a bridge between current reform momentum and the long-term aspirations of Nigeria's Agenda 2050. It is envisaged that the preparation of the new plan will commence this month so that it can be completed on time for Mr. President to launch it before the end of the year. This will enable federal, state, and local government, among other users, to make use of it in ensuring that their programs reflect the consensus reached.
The Honorable Minister of Finance and the Coordinating Minister of the Economy gave an update on the following account balances. First, excess crude account, which stood at $535,823.39. Second is the stabilization account, which stood at $78,453,757,583.19. The third account that was presented was the natural resources account, which stood at $106,727,969,527.59.